Our goal is to put intelligence everywhere.
Ambiq is trying to build a more faster and a more power efficiency chip. And with that technology, you can imagine maybe your phone just needs to charge once a week or once a month.
We have the best spot technology that our low power IC is going to make changes to the world.
I'm Untitled Chapter, Director of Product and Testing Engineering in Ambiq, Taiwan.
I'm the representing of Ambiq, the youngest generation of Ambiqer.
I'm in charge of quality-related activities, which is covering reliability qualification for a new product.
I'm responsible for the chip's function validation and characterization.
Senior Director of Operations in Taiwan, I need to make sure our product can be shipped to customers with 100% on-time delivery.
I feel Ambiq is like a big family with a very good working atmosphere and having proactive colleagues from each department.
I like the passion that our employees show.
And that's why we have a very collaborative and helpful culture.
Ambiq is striving for enabling the intelligence of endpoints with leading ultra-low power technology we call Spark technology, which also makes the less equivalent CO2 emission towards carbon reduction for the Earth.
Ambiq is the only one who is willing to spend a lot of time, a lot of resource to make it happen in our product.
My team and I work very hard for several weeks. And finally, we deliver the first batch of customer sample to the 2 key customers.
We still manage to meet almost 100% on-time delivery.
We have weathered a lot of storm and made the impossible possible.